Hi and welcome back. This is the last decorating part for this altered book we created together in a series of videos. And the last thing will be stuffing it full and then the final flip through. So, okay, I will just sit down. I want to put some more things down. So this is a bit of decorative paper. I will just tear away a bit. I will keep this because it's cool paper. But I will create handmade paper out of this. I have a full box. I just want to put this down to give to break the structure a bit. No less, no more. Okay, I need my glue paper, which is this, and my Scotch permanent glue stick, and a bit of space. So this will hold paper on paper down really well, and I think paper on fabric or fabric on paper as well, but I had not the courage to try this out. So let's just put this down over here. And I have so many things. I pulled out a bit more stuff. Let's see, maybe we could layer some things like this. Yes, why not? I like it. This is a bit thicker, like a thin cardstock, so I want to use my Fabri-Tac glue because it's a bit stronger. I think the Scotch glue stick would be well as well. It would hold in place as well, but I don't know. I just want to make sure it stays in place. So this is a double pocket. You have a pocket, a pocket here, a big pocket, and a pocket here. I want to stuff in some things later. This is a ticket. I think it's from Tim Holtz. I bought it on Amazon a while ago. So just get on some glue. This is just for decoration purposes. And layer it like this to break the structure a bit. So as I did here, this is the pocket, and this is just a decorative paper which I glued down. So maybe we need something else over here. I have this really little sheets of vellum. I think it's a bit too much because we will put in something in here and it will stick out. So this is fine. I call this page finished. No, maybe I want to put something down over here. Oh, this city park ticket would be cool. I'm a bit indecisible. I don't know, something like this. I have many die cuts over here. Maybe one of those die cuts will work out. Let's see. I will not go through all of them, just, pull out something. Oh, this is cool. But I think this is cool for this pocket. Okay, I began to stuff the pockets. This is cool too, but I don't want to use it for here. I have other die cuts like this, and this is not a die cut, this is a fuzzy card. Okay, this does not go well. So as you can see, I don't have a theme. I go colorful and vintage in one go. This is a bit like bakery themes. No, I don't think it's something here I want to use. No. Maybe, let's see, maybe something like this. Something like this. It's a maybe. Oh, cute dog. Okay, I want to put this in later. Yes, I want to use the stock. Why not? So it's a bit of a thicker cardstock, or a thinner cardstock, but it's cardstock. So I want to use my Fabri-Fix glue again, just to make sure. And I have some art glitter glue as well, and I just got the metal tip as a present, because otherwise it is drying out so much, so I did not use it for a long time. But art glitter glue is perfect for this kinds of die cuts, and I want to use it again with my metal tip. So I will put this into here, because I already know I want to have it into here. I will just put the other things aside. So let's just double check. Okay, I have not this much filming time because my memory card is nearly filled up. Okay, I call this page finished. On this page, I know I want to have something over here to break the structure of this belly band. This would look cool over here. Why not? Just do whatever you like. Maybe I could layer some things. I like this even better. So I will do this. So this journal is an altered book. I have a long playlist, say so, or not a playlist only for this book, but a series of videos for this book. I will link them down below in the description box so that you can find them easy if you're interested in the other things, in the other steps I did to create this specific journal. Maybe you want to recreate it, maybe it gives you some inspiration, or you just have fun watching, creating videos, as I do a lot of time. So if I am not creating, I'm watching, binge watching other YouTube creators, especially junk journal creators, even if they do the same thing over and over again. So like creating journaling cards out of scraps. I watch different channels, but when I found a channel I like, I used to watch the oldest videos first, not all the videos of course, but the videos which are speaking to me, and I watch the oldest videos first and then work my way through the newest ones, so to see how they increase their abilities, to say so. Oh, I love this really, really much. So this is the way I do it. I really love the sticker, but it's too white. I don't want to cut it off. What do I want to cut? No, I don't know. Maybe. So sometimes I watch one channel which is showing, no, this is too colorful, which is showing how to create journal cards, for example, and then the next video is the same content but other journaling cards, but the same style, and I watch the next video, just because I love it and it's so relaxing for me. So maybe we will go with this theme for here. Why not? So maybe this is something you like to do too. If it is like this, then I would highly recommend to watch the other videos, not only on my channel, of course, which I wish you would look my videos and like them, but to watch the other videos of the series so that you can see how I created the whole journal, so the whole steps. Okay, let's just put this down over here to decorate our pocket a bit. I could have left some space open, so like this space. This is a bit too fragile for me, but this would have been a cool tuck spot as well. Okay, sometimes the idea comes to you when it's too late. It's fine. Okay, I don't want to go with this. See, oh, it's a little cat. So cute. Maybe I want to put down, no, I think I want to put down this washi sticker, or a bit of my, I think I want to use a bit of this ticket washi tape. I used it all over in this journal, all over again, so a bit over here, a bit over there. So only these two. Then put it down something like, somewhere like here. Okay. I don't think it will stay in place on fabric. So I will cut this off. And I have to get rid of the excess over here, just because I don't like it to stick over the page. Okay, just to break the structure a bit. So let's see again. Okay, we have 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 9 minutes left. Okay, work your way through. This is a fold out I really love. I could put something onto here, maybe. Oh, only this little thing. Don't know, is this pepper? This could be pepper, maybe, don't know. I have some vintage fuzzy cuts as well, but not at hand, only this one over here, this direction. Maybe I will put this down somewhere, but for the moment I will just go with the bakery themed die cuts, because why not? I have this washi. Just thinking if I want to put it somewhere. Maybe here? No. Somewhere over here? No. No, I think I will let this be as it is. I will let this be as it is. This is just a background. Oh, I think I need something over here. What's this? Oh, a little heart. You can bake a cookie, not a cookie, a cake with this heart shape. It's a bit too small. I like this vellums really much. This would go well with this. Oh, this would look cool. But then I need something for here. What else do I have at hand? No. This is too big. No, I don't like this. Maybe we have something else. Oops, in this pocket. Another cute little dog. Oh yes, I like this. I love dogs anyway. I like images of cats as well. And when I meet a cat, I how do you call it when you go over the fur with your hand? I don't know. Petting? Do you pet your pet? I don't know. So I will do this to cats as well, but to be honest, I'm more a dog person. I have already 2 dog images in this journal, just because I had them at hand. I have a cute cat somewhere. Oh, this cute little cat, which is sleeping. So cute. Okay, let's glue down this dog. Try to get rid of the glue seepage, but if there is a bit glue seepage, it's totally fine, because it's a junk journal, altered book junk journal. It's totally fine for me. And I think I will put this down here, just because I like it. I will use this glue again and smoosh it out a bit, because this is something like vellum, so it's a bit like plastic. Where's my cap? Here's my cap. It's a bit like plastic, and I don't know if my Scotch permanent glue stick will hold this in place. I just don't know, and I don't want to find out by now. I just use the things I trust. But the Scotch glue stick is really, really well for paper. So, for example, this is a thinner paper, and I use the Scotch glue stick for this, and it will hold in place perfectly. Get rid of your glue on your fingers. I really, really have to tidy up and clean up my craft room. Maybe I will do this week. I already say this to myself, and then I think, okay, one more video, one more crafting video. Then I load it up, and then I delete it from my phone. Then I have new space on my phone, and then I craft more. Okay, another 5 minutes. This could be fine. Where is my yellow little thing gun? I don't know. Here it is. I thought maybe I could put this. Yes, I will put this washi tape sticker, oops, down onto here. Just a tiny little bit of something. It's not standing out too much. And I want to put something over here or onto here. No, this does not work out. I think this won't either. No, definitely a no. I don't think the cat will go. No, don't like it. Let's see, I have some more of these tickets. I could overlap this so you had something to go under with your finger, and then, yes, I like it. Yes, why not? Okay, so let's just glue this down, letting something like a centimeter or so being without glue. So in this case I will smoosh it out a bit, just because. So I want to glue it down right till here. Maybe it could stand out a tiny bit more, but I think it's fine. Oh, a bit of glue seepage over here. Okay, it's gone. Whew. Yes, like it. Do a bit of glue over here, just get rid of it like this, rubbing it off. Oh yes, I really like it. Oh, I'm so in love. Okay, this is finished for me. Oh, I want to put on something over here, so I think this could be good for here. Oops, no, this would be good. This is just a sticker, so why not? I will use this, and I will cut off a little piece from the bottom, which is too wide, or too long, not too wide, too long. So just putting it down onto here, so you can see the writing underneath. I really, really love. So I will use a bit of my glue again, because this is a usual sticker, and I don't know if it will hold on fabric. I don't think so. So I will just put down a bit of my Fabri-Tac glue. It will stay in place on paper, and now it will stay in place on fabric as well. Oh, cool, I like it. I really, really like it. So I'm no crafter who has something like, what do you call, a theme. So even if I start off with something like a themes for example vintage or something like this, I already start to create other things as well. So I'm not a person who can go with a theme very well. So you just do what you like. I have this tiny little piece left over. Sometimes it's cool to put it onto an edge somewhere. Maybe I can put it onto the, oh, maybe I will put it on the edge right over here. Why not? Haha, this is cool. It's sticking out. No, just a tiny little extra thing. Okay, we have left, oh, 1 more minute. Okay. Okay, I already have a so long series of creating this book, and I only want to do, I think, maybe 2 or 3 more little things. So I will do this off camera, because it's not so much to do. Yes, most of the pages are well. So I will do the last few parts, so something like over here, maybe over here, just decorating a bit further off camera. And the next step will be putting in things in all our pockets, tuck spots and so on. And then last part will be the final flip through of this beauty. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more junk journal, crafting, creating videos and bullet journal videos. Bye. Have a nice day.